Clutch Industry clutch kits are a perfect replacement or upgrade for your vehicle, no matter if you have a daily driver, a work ute or van, four-wheel drive or a high-performance race car. Clutch Industries have an option for you. Clutch Industries have been around since 1951 and have been a popular brand with mechanics, auto enthusiasts and race teams supporting clutch replacement and clutch upgrade solutions for every driver or vehicle. Today we're going to run through a range of Clutch Industry clutch kits that are available online at Repco. First up we have the Clutch Industry Premium Kit. It's made to suit standard vehicles and daily drivers. It's a direct replacement clutch kit which meets or exceeds OEM specifications and comes with a 2-year warranty. Next, we have Clutch Industries Heavy Duty Clutch Kit. It's a great value upgrade over a standard clutch and suits popular hard-working, modified or tow vehicles. With a 20% increase in torque capacity for more bite. It's great for couriers and tradies that see an increase in payload and comes with a 3-year parts warranty. Moving along, we have the 4-Terrain Heavy Duty. It's designed for off-road vehicles that demand more clamp and cooling. The ER squared groove pressure plate works similar to a disc grater and helps dissipate heat and gases to help cool the clutch down, which is the biggest killer. This is an improved organic clutch disc for greater pedal feel and drivability. You'll see an average of 28% increase in torque capacity. The 4-Terrain Heavy Duty comes with a 3-year parts warranty. Now we've got this bad boy, the 4-Terrain Ultimate. It's much the same as the 4-Terrain Heavy Duty, but the main difference is the clutch plate is organic and cerometallic. The organic side gives you great pedal feel, while the cerometallic side bites in hard to ensure optimal engagement when you need it most, giving you up to 80% more torque capacity. The same disc can be found in some Mantic Stage and Mantic 9000 performance clutch kits. To finish off the range, we have the awesome Mantic clutch kits. These are designed and built in-house at their Melbourne facility and aimed at performance cars that demand more torque and surface area. The Mantic Stage 1 and 2 clutch kits are designed for increased torque capacity and both have a greater pedal feel. They both include the ER square groove pressure plate that's found in the 4-Terrain clutch kits. The Stage 1 Street has an improved organic clutch disc for greater pedal feel and drivability. The Stage 2 Street has dual friction, organic on one side, cerometallic on the other, for improved bite and up to 80% more torque capacity. Stage 3, 4 and 5 Sport start getting into the more hardcore kits. They give up to 100% more torque capacity, but with a compromised pedal feel. You'll start to see sprung centered cushion cerometallic plates through to rigid undampened kits. These are best suited to drift cars and race cars that need firm engagement at high RPM and horsepower. Mantic also have twin and triple plate kits available in the 9000 series. These are 9-inch kits that include a light and steel flywheel and have either 2 or 3 clutch plates for increased torque capacity. They're also available in organic and cerometallic plates which help with drivability and pedal feel. But then we start getting into the big numbers when we start going all the way through to rigid cerometallic triple plates that can handle up to 3,000 Nm of peak torque. Clutch Industries have an option for anyone looking to replace or upgrade their clutch kit, no matter how they drive. Make sure you check out the range and pick a clutch kit that suits your needs. Available online at Repco.